Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary dial desk telephone. And this is Bill's equipment from New York, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done to this unit. We need to install a line cord. We also want to replace the handset cord. It's frayed at the end at the handset, so we'll take care of that issue. We also want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. We want to take care of that issue. We want to go through the network and make sure that all of our connections are proper and that they're tight. We will be going through the bell circuit. We want to make sure that the bell is ringing properly, and we want to adjust the bell to the most ringing cycle action that we can get. We will be troubleshooting the entire telephone and taking care of any issues that we find while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric rotary dial desk telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electronic hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time. And release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now we want to go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. We want to thank you for calling our time and temperature service and to make a request. Please tell your friends and family about us. We want to provide this service to as many people as we can. Today is Friday, April 10th. The current time, 2:58 p.m. and the temperature, 59 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up our handset. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary dial desk telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Bill and they can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.